In this video, we are going to learn about what are the interfaces that are present in the SolidWorks, and uh, the top portion of the screen is called quick access uh, toolbar, and we can see some of the useful options are present over there, and we can see the options like new, open, close, save, save as, make drawing from part, make assembly from part, and these have the applications that are very useful. And the next option is like an editing option, where you can see a few other options, and the next option will be like an view option, and where you can see few other important option uh, respective to that. And the a fourth option will be like an insert option, and where you can see some of the useful features are present over there. And the above option is called quick access toolbar, and these are the options that are very useful for creating or accessing the document. And this portion is called comment manager, and these are the option is actually useful for creating a 3D model, or to create the uh, sketches for creating the model. And if you want to include any of the new option, means we can just right click on that, and we can select any of the option as per our application, and we can use that. And the left side of the screen design tree, and this option will actually consist of three important datum planes, and these are the options which I have used to create this model. And there are few other options at the top, uh, like a document manager, display manager, configuration manager, and these options are very useful. And this portion is called heads up toolbar, and where you can see some of the quick options. And the right side of this screen, you can see like some of the options, and this options is called task plan, and these are the options that are actually very useful. And the above uh, portion is called SolidWorks search tab. If you didn't find any of the option, means, and you can easily find it by that option, and we have to just create a name over there, and then it will automatically show that on the comment manager, and we can easily find out that particular option by searching on that uh, tab. And the below portion is called like an uh, status bar, and this will actually display the document status, if the document is underdefined, or if the document is fully defined, and you can easily find out by that. Oh. And it will also help us to know about the sketches status as well, whether the sketch is in underdefined or sketch is in fully defined. It is actually very helpful for us to know the status of the document. And these are the three options that you can find at the bottom of the screen. And uh, and there is an option called model, uh, 3D views, and motion steady. 3D views and motion steady are the two advanced option which we are not using in this course actually. And this center portion is called as graphic area, in which we can create a 3D model, or we can also create the assembly. And if you want to minimize the a comment manager means, and we have an option called use large button. If we click on that means, and you can see like there is an actual minimize of the features. If you um, don't want to use that means, and you can again go for that option, and you can uh, select that.